Okay, so this is a new gore bug video. This is a new bug. I'm not sure this is only for mobile players, but there's a bug with the Rinswent and Gubzor Nextbot. So for the Gubzor Nextbot, I'm gonna spawn him and you'll see what I mean. He is not making his sound. Hold up a sec. I'm gonna kill him. Oh my god. The same bug happens with Rinswent. I'm gonna spawn him and you'll see what I mean. And yes, you will see what I mean. You see, he is still not making his sound. Yeah, he is not making his sound either. So yep, that's the Gorebug. Those two Nextbots do not have the sounds playing for some reason.